Greetings, welcome back to Pinkoddbird. Today, I am here to share my swap journal. If you guys don't know, I have a Facebook group called the Uncommon Guild. I always link it down in the description box below. If you're ever interested, just make sure you answer the questions when you request to join because the moderators will decline. We did a little swap in the group, and this one was for a softcover Halloween themed journal, and it could be like any kind of Halloween style that you wanted to do. And my bestie over at Release the Craft and Priscilla came up with the cutest, quirkiest, most different Halloween journals, and I love them. Sorry, I meant Halloween kits, not Halloween journals. So thank you, Priscilla, for sending those over to me and letting me have a stab at them. I decided to go with the one that has the kooky monsters in it. You guys are going to see this kit is so much fun. And I couldn't get enough of it, and I can't wait to work with the other kit as well. But I'm so busy, you guys, I can't even tell you, and I'm about to be traveling soon too. So here nor there, you're here to see this journal. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, it's a soft cover journal. The requirements for the journal were you had to have 6 handmade tags, 10 journaling cards, 2 altered envelopes, and some Halloween ephemera. I think 4 or 6 pieces, I can't remember offhand. And it was a soft cover. It had to have at least a certain number of pages flat, so that way everybody kind of gets the same thing as a baseline. So mine is fabric covered, and you guys might recognize this fabric, which, by the way, thank you guys all so much for grabbing the Oddtober journals that I recently released. Like I said, I'm going to be traveling pretty soon here. I don't know if I'm going to have time to make any more. But if I can, I will definitely pop a video up here as soon as I get them done. It probably wouldn't be very many, but if I can't do it, then next year I'll plan better. So thank you so much to everyone who grabbed one of those journals. Appreciate you guys, and they're already headed out. This fabric is one fabric that I used in those journals, and I love this one, and it's also glow in the dark with the eyeballs on it. I chose the eyeballs because this kit has a lot of like monsters that have multiple eyeballs in it, so I thought it was so perfect. On the cover, I just shrunk down one of the kit images. It says Bump in the Night. All right, so up in the front, I made a belly band. Here's the first altered envelope right here. I left it empty so you can add your own stuff to it. Little tag, and then I just had this lime green yarn sitting on my table, and I was like, that's perfect. Got a little belly band here with some extra writing space, and it's just some bats. But look at this kit is, oof, you guys, and the colors are so rich. Jewel tones, my favorite. So let's see. Back here we have a pocket, and it's got like a jagged little tag in there, and plain on the back. And then in this little pocket here, I just made a little Hermelinda tag so it flips open. Then here I made just a regular tag. It's backed on cardstock, and you flip this up and you can also add something here. Priscilla goes over this whole kit on the Release to Crafting YouTube channel, so if you guys want to hear like all the story about how this kit came together, you can check that out over there. But I love it. It's got the original hand-dyed papers in there as well. A little double pocket here I made, and there's little crystals. I love the little cats. Look at, see, with the eyes. There's this big machete envelope, so you can pop something secretive in there. And the little tag with the rat. Jumbo tags, my favorite. Look at the colors. I cannot, sir. Really, really pretty. Little tag like that. Look how scared this one is. A little popsicle skull head there. And here, another tag. It's layered with some fabric on there. I think I used every single piece of this kit, which I don't usually do, but I was like, you know what? I love this kit. Some tags back in here. I'm going to use every single piece. I don't think there was any piece spared. I did some stitching in the book as per usual. There's another little tag here and a little envelope. Look at all those eyeballs. I like the way the crow looks too. Very whimsical, carrying its own feather. It's the center. And another envelope. And I just tucked in this little piece you can cut out to use the banners. Started watching some of the videos for the people who participated in the swap, and everybody's made excellent things, as they always do. Little diamond shaped tag, and then these little tags here. It's so spoopy. Look at this little monster bug. Hello. I'm sorry, maybe I'm just in my my silly era, but you guys, I really love this one. I don't know what to say. Look at pink monster with all the eyeballs, and then I used my cemetery punch here on this page, so you get a little cemetery border there, a really long, I should say, tag slot there, and then another double tag pocket here. More of the monsters from the kit. And I love how they're all carrying like a little heart messenger. Look at the little flaming purple carrot. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's too much. Priscilla, I love this kit to the bone. To the bone. It was very fun. And this is a double tag here. Double pocket, I should say. Ah, you've got scared little apples. The angry vegetables are my favorite, though. That's probably my favorite. And another jumbo tag here. And back here, I just added one more altered envelope, and this one has a little tag in there. And that's it, you guys. So this little swap journal, I love it. I hope whoever my partner is also loves it. I think, I don't think we'll be doing another Halloween swap. I don't think there will be time, but I'm going to try and get a little bit more active with adding some more swaps and interactive things for the groups, because I know that you guys really enjoy those, and it's always fun to get someone else's work, and it's a nice way to, be able to swap and have your artwork be given out and receive someone else's artwork. So if you received my journal, I hope you love it, and thank you guys all so much again for all of your support. You guys know spooky season is our time to shine, right? I'm just so bummed out because I didn't plan my travel properly, and so it's really hindering my Halloween making, so me. But I am trying to do everything that I can before I go, so yeah, so that's going to be it for today, though, you guys. I hope that you guys are all having a great day. Hopefully I can get something else out that's Halloween based before it's too late to get it shipped out, right? Because I have to keep that factor in mind, because most of the time you guys want to start using these at the beginning of October. So anyway, I think that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned, because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.